Chapter 3: How to Have Constant Energy. A Major League Baseball pitcher once pitched a game when the temperature was over 100 degrees. He lost several pounds as a result of the afternoon's exertion. At one stage of the game, his energy sagged. His method for restoring his ebbing strength was unique. He simply repeated a passage from the Old Testament. But they that wait upon the Lord and shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. Frank Hiller, the pitcher who had this experience, told me that reciting this verse on the pitcher's mound actually gave him a renewal of strength, so that he was able to complete the game with energy to spare. He explained the technique by saying, "I passed a powerful energy-producing thought through my mind." How we think, we feel has a definite effect on how we actually feel physically. If your mind tells you that you are tired, the body mechanism, the nerves, and the muscles accept the fact. If your mind is intensively interested, you can keep on at an activity indefinitely. Religion functions through our thoughts. In fact, it is a system of thought, discipline. By supplying attitudes of faith to the mind, it can increase energy. It helps you to accomplish prodigious activity by suggesting that you have ample support and resources of power.